Hi, it's Gina with WTI. Do you love playing games, competition, and trivia as much as my husband and I do? Well, then you need this Jeopardy page a day calendar. Okay, truth, we don't really get it because of the calendar. We just love competing against each other to see who can come up with the right answer every day. What my husband and I do is we keep a running total of our winnings. Last year my husband won, so I'm really hoping that this year I'll be the one who wins. It's really fun because on the Sunday of every month, there's Final Jeopardy. So on Saturday, you can decide what your wager is going to be and then see if you got the answer right the next day. Now we have noticed that the pages are a little bit thin, so we don't want to see what the question is for the answer. And so what we'll do is we'll fold up the page the day before so that it blocks you from being able to see the question. We buy this calendar every single year. It just brings this fun, healthy competition into our marriage that we love so much. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.